Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Tips Zone channel. In this video, I will discuss how to install the KB5034848 update in Windows 11 23H2. Just visit this Microsoft Update Catalog website and paste the KB update number that you want to download and click on the search button. You will notice that there is an update for the version 22H2 as well as the version 23H2. Pick the appropriate version. In this case, I will pick the 23H2 version and click on the download button. Click on this .msu link to start the download. Since I have already downloaded this update, let's go to the downloads folder and start the update installation process. After the update downloads, just open the folder in File Explorer and double click on the update file to start the installation process. It will start preparing for installation, and check if you have the update on your system or not. Since I already have installed this update, I will get an error message, but you need to proceed and follow the on-screen instructions to install this update. After restarting, your Windows version will update to the build 22631.3235. Stay tuned for more details on Moment 5 update in my next video. Do like, share.